This job is endless. If you stop today, tomorrow Alshabaab wins. Tomorrow radicalization wins. I was stealing things left, right, and center. I did not spare anybody. If somebody came with his trolley of goods shopping, I would take everything from him. Since my friend died, I was thinking the futility of this path that I was on. What was the benefit? Where was I going? Everybody was dying. I had taken so much from my community, from the people that would have loved me, that would have cared for me. So I wanted to give back to these people. When I think about terrorists, when I think about people who do this, I am so angry, I am so mad that somebody can take this lovely religion, somebody can take this perfect thing that we have and distort it, use it to cause murder. It is so painful to me.